Facebook family, this is Eldridge Keith again, Safe Start CDL School with another episode of Safe Start CDL Prep. The first episode we talked about the 3 L's, the lights, the lanes, and the leaks. Now we're going to talk about the 3 engine components. These are part of the pre-trip inspection that you would do before you get your CDL license, and it's on the CDL test. The first component is the alternator. You want to say that the alternator is tightly attached to the vehicle, not cracked, bent, or broken, and the wires are not burned. That's your first engine component. The second engine component is your water pump. Your water pump is going to be either belt driven or gear driven. In this case, it's gear driven. You want to say that it's tightly affixed to the vehicle, not cracked, bent, or broken, and it's not leaking. And while you're on this side, you're just doing an overall view of your engine. Now we're going to go on the other side and check our third engine component, which is the air compressor. The third component is our air compressor. You want to say that it's tightly attached to the vehicle, not cracked, bent, or broken. Just like the water pump, this is gear driven as well. Also, you want to check your lines, make sure that they're not cracked, bent, or broken, or leaking. That is your third L. So there you have it. Your the 3 engine components are your water pump, alternator, and your air compressor. This concludes our episode for CDL Prep for this time. Look forward to seeing you back the next time. This is Eldridge Keith, Safe Start CDL School, Richmond, Virginia. Give us a call, 804-944-5877. Thanks, Facebook family. Have a great day.